Hey guys, so we will be seeing the phonics and goal problems of Codeforce's Global Round 14. So what we have given is we have given n pieces of gold and we want to rearrange in a way such a way that the sum of that current elements of gold does not match with exactly x. So if it matches with x, the weight scale will explode. So we don't have to be the current sum equal to x. So what we have given is the test cases. So three test cases are there, three number of pieces and two is the value of x. So when we put the first piece which is whose weight is 3, second piece whose weight is 2 and third piece whose weight is 1. So it will not explode anytime because when we place first piece, the sum will be of the current pieces will be 3 and which is greater than x. So it will not explode anytime. Let's see the second case, test case, where the number of pieces is 5 and the value of x is 3. So when we place first piece, the value of sum is 1. When we place second piece, the sum becomes 3 and which is exactly equals to x, then it will explode. So we have to rearrange this order in such a way that this scale will not explode at any time. Regarding the rearrangement of that pieces of gold, so what we can do is that first, let's see the sum of gold pieces. How can be the means the sum of gold pieces? What can be the number of what can be the sum of that gold pieces? So sum may be greater than the x, or in some cases may be equal to x, or in some cases sum is less than x. So what if we just have to see this case, because in this case when sum is greater than x, so uh, when let's see first when sum is equal to x. So regarding if the order elements are 3, 4 and 5 and 6, and we have given that there are 4 elements and sum should be equal to uh, 18. So 18. So regarding the order, we place if we place 3, 4 before and 3 after, the eventually the sum is at the end will be 18. No matter how the order is, the sum will be 18. So we can't do anything rearrangement possible though. So there is no rearrangement possible, so that we can avoid the sum x equal to 18. So we will simply print no when the sum of the total elements of that pieces of gold is equal to x. So this is the first case. The second case is when x is greater than the sum. When x is greater than sum, so we don't have to care that we have to rearrange or not, because let's see the test case again. So that 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if the sum is greater than x, so let's consider this at 100. So we don't have to rearrange in any way, because in any way we can place that goal elements so that eventually the sum will be greater than x. So we don't have to care, we just have to print s, and we have to we have to print that order as it is. So these are the two test cases. Let's see for the when sum is greater than x. So let's see the test cases again, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So sum will be, let's consider this at 7. So when we place first element, the sum will be 3, and when we place first two elements, the sum becomes 9. So sum becomes 7. So then the weight scale will explode. So we don't have to do that. So what we will do is just uh, we have we will add a for loop in which we will traverse all the array elements, and when we occur the sum is x, we just replace the elements which from which we getting x as a sum with the next element. So what I'm trying to say is, let's I will code it. I equal to 0, I should less than n, I plus plus, and I will check for every element, so that sum equal to sum plus equal to ARR of I, and from this we will get the sum from every element, so that first the sum is 3, next the 7, sum is 7, next sum is will be 12, and next the sum will be 18. So we will check if the sum is equals to x at any point of time, then we just swap the current element that gives the sum as x with the next element of that element. So we will just swap with the ARR of I with ARR of I plus 1. So I think you will get that idea. So the after this the order will be 3, 5, 4, 6. So catch is here is that we have given in the problem that every element is distinct. So we can't there is no possibility that here is 4 and here is 4. So here is 4. So this will be the perfect case for that, when sum is greater than x, and so that we will cover all the cases when sum is greater than x, sum equal to x, and sum is less than x. So